I want you to meet the most unique dog in the East Valley shelter. This is the Outstanding Tiger, and his impound number is 130-6480. And Tiger is an 8-year-old. We're not sure if it's a walrus, a hippopotamus, a potbelly pig, or an English bulldog mix. Whatever he is, he's unique. This amazing guy weighs 85 pounds, and he is just the friendliest, rotund little guy, or big guy, I should say. He has everything with enthusiasm. He gives the most sensational kisses, and he's just fabulous. We think he's going to make the most outstanding companion for a family living in a private home. This is the amazing Tiger, available for adoption to go home today from your good friends at the East Valley Shelter. So please come and get him, and make sure you have a big car.